In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on backups QuickBooks Online. Turning on backups gives you a reliable safety net for your books. So if something changes unexpectedly or you need to restore prior data, you're covered. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll point out a few helpful details so you know exactly what to expect. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the top right corner. Click the small gear icon, then select Account and Settings. This is the central place where company-wide preferences live, including your backup controls, so it's the right spot to make permanent changes that affect your file. Inside Account and Settings, move to the Advanced tab on the left panel. The Advanced area collects technical and administrative options, and that's where QuickBooks places the backup settings. It may take a second for the page to load all sections, which is normal. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the Advanced page. There, you'll see the backup options. Depending on your plan and interface updates, it may be labeled Backup or something similar. Click the section to edit, then enable it. Turning this on activates automatic protection for your company data, capturing the information you rely on so you can restore if you ever need to roll back. While you're here, you can also choose a personal cloud backup location, such as Google Drive, if you prefer to keep an additional copy in your own cloud. Select the option and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the connection. Pick a destination folder that's secure and easy to find later. Be mindful of who has access to that cloud drive and any storage limits you might have so your financial data stays protected and organized. With your preferences set, head to the bottom right corner of the window and click Done. This saves everything you just configured. If you navigate away without clicking Done, your changes won't stick. So be sure you see your settings confirmed when you return to the page. That's all there is to it. Your backups are now enabled, and QuickBooks will handle them quietly in the background. Interface layouts can change from time to time, but the path remains the same. Gear icon, Account and Settings, Advanced, then the Backup section at the bottom. If you don't see the option, it may be related to your plan or permissions, and the label may vary slightly, but the location remains consistent. With this setup, you'll have peace of mind knowing your QuickBooks Online data is protected and ready to restore if the unexpected happens.